guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you for tuning in. My name is Dawn, and today I'm doing a highly requested video on a 2-year review on my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So if you've seen my previous Louis Vuitton Neverfull review, I did an unboxing and I shared with you how I was prepping my Louis Vuitton and protecting it for wear. So I used this apple guard repellent, and I've actually only sprayed it once, and that was that first time that I sprayed it 2 years ago. And honestly, it works. Like, I'm gonna share with you kind of as just like a close-up. And I don't baby this. Like, I brought this everywhere, and this is primarily now my travel bag because it's just so convenient. But as you can see, there's like really like no spotting and like watermarks, and this is just with that one application that I use. And I told myself that I would like spray every now and then. Well, yeah, life happens and I forgot. So yeah, I'm surprised at how well this is just held up. And this is like 2 years that I've had it, so you can see how the vachetta is really like naturally like darkened, and it's just so beautiful, and I absolutely love it. Really, there's like only like maybe a little like slight little bit of like wear on here, and there's one, I don't know if you can tell, you can barely tell, it's like looks like a little scratch, but you can't even tell, right? You can only see it like if you look really closely, but other than that, the canvas has really held up well. And I do want to show you one other thing. So guys, so I wanted to show you the wristlet that came with it. So as you can see, like how much darker the wristlet is compared to this, because I get a lot of use of this just by itself. Like there are days where I just take the wristlet and just go, instead of taking my full Neverfull. So honestly, I bought this thinking that I have to take all my stuff for my son, but he was younger then. But now that he's older, he doesn't really need a lot of things, and I just have compartmentalized. So I usually just carry this. However, when we do go on trips, like this is my go-to bag because it just carries so much. And I'm actually going to do a separate video on just what I carry in and how I do my organizer that I've had. So in my previous video you saw I bought this organizer. Well, I'm going to share everything that I have with it in another video, all my travel things, essentials, but I'm just not going to do it in this video because then this video will be way too long. But overall, let me take this out. I'm just going to take it out. This I've had for 2 years too. Great condition, just so you can see, right? I've had like water spills in here, and look, it looks brand spanking new inside. There's like a little receipt piece of paper, but other than that, check it out. Like, this is how nice it held up with that organizer. I highly recommend it because you'll find, like, if you have makeup and stuff, you don't want it to spill into your bag. You'd rather have it in this organizer, and it has so much in here, which I'll share in another video for y'all, just so you can kind of see everything that I carry. But this does carry a lot, and it's so convenient. The straps, even though you can put a lot in here, it doesn't like hurt your shoulders, which some bags do, and I don't like that. But this is just really honestly so convenient. I don't baby this thing. I mean, I'm a mom, and I've got to do what I got to do, and it's just held up so well. It's definitely like a great first Louis Vuitton if you're thinking about it, especially the fact that it has this that comes separately. This by itself is just like amazing. And I put this is actually like the bag, like I compare all of my crossbodies with this as like as a measurement. Like I want to make sure that every crossbody that I have fits this in there, just because this has like my essentials. Like I have my chapstick, I have my cards, I have my insurance cards in here. So things like that, like my essentials, I keep it in here. And then I just throw this in a bag, a crossbody bag or my travel bag. Or I take it separately just as a wristlet. But you can tell that definitely that I've worn this a lot more than this, just by the like how dark it's gotten compared to this. But overall, like for 2 years and it still looks brand new, and I've had such great resale value too. So even if I were gonna try to sell it, which I won't because I just love it so much and it's honestly such a great piece. I just have nothing really bad to say about it. I mean, it's great for what it is. It's not my everyday bag anymore just because it's just so big and I try to like minimize everything. But it's like my go-to travel bag. Like this is what I bring because I can bring so much in here, especially traveling with kids. Yeah, definitely worth it. So overall, yes, to everything that I said in my first video about having the repellent works, and this is just one time that I used it. Having the organizer, oh my gosh, seriously the best thing ever, because it'll be like a bottomless pit if you don't have an organizer. And I'll share more of what I have in another video in here. And then overall, it's just such a well-made bag. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better first Louis Vuitton. Now I have several because I love them so much, and I just love like the canvas. So I hope these answers your question on this 2-year review. If you have any of the other questions, let me know. But yes, highly recommend. And if you love this video, hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, guys.